Sellers, are you constantly asking yourself the following questions in today's housing market? What if I sell now with these higher mortgage rates? Or what if I sell now but can't find a replacement house? Will I regret selling so soon? Or regret not selling soon enough? In a housing market full of twists and turns, these are valid and concerning questions. Hi, I'm Carrie Hall with eXp and Homes by Carrie. I think we can all agree that 2023 was a turbulent year for real estate, with high interest rates and scarce inventory, making sellers uncertain about listing their property. But did you know that now can be a perfect time to list your home? If you're a homeowner with a good amount of equity in your home, but also carrying debt, now might be a perfect time to sell. Most homeowners have enough equity in their home to pay off high debts like credit cards and car payments and consolidate their bills. So when you go to make that purchase on your replacement property, you may find yourself in a better financial position than you were in with that 3% mortgage rates and high debts. Plus, you can take advantage of the current market with your sale and your purchase because there is less competition, meaning you can still get a fair price for your home and probably an even better price for the replacement property. Don't let being married to your rate prevent you from getting that ultimate dream home. Reach out to us if you're thinking of selling, and we can put together a comprehensive listing marketing plan for you to get the best possible return on your investment. Carrie Hall with Homes by Carrie and eXp Realty. And when you do what you love, people love what you do.